Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to factory reset Google Nest Audio. Let's go. Open Google Home app. Choose your Google Nest Mini. Settings. Remove device. Remove. Turn off microphone. Press and hold until the device is rebooted. After that, add the device again to the Google Home app. That's it. Now you know how to factory reset Google Nest Audio. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.